I told you what I don't like, and you're making an argument out
You
of
tell me after I'm in the fucking car.
Nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries, all the fairy tales. Just wanna look good, craving the attention. And we don't know when to stop, so we keep going till we drop. Yeah. Let me tell you about a little thing that I know of. It can give you everything you need. Oh, just look.
Alright guys, so my wife just went in the gas station. She's gonna go get us some drinks, and it's a perfect time for me to prank her. She's always pranking me, and right now she's wearing a shorts with one of my soccer jackets, and like, she look weird. So I'm gonna tell her, why are you wearing a soccer jacket in the summer? I'm gonna tell her a lot of things. I'm gonna tell her I don't like her hair, why she dressed like that, all that stuff. So tune in, guys. Let's get it.
I just saw somebody with the cutest ink on her arm. I was like, I want that.
Oh, I was like, who are you calling cute?
No, I was like, I want that sleeve. It was cute on her, it wasn't cute on me. Why'd you take my side?
I have no idea. But there you go. Ready?
You said more orange than lemonade, right?
Yeah. You're doing everything weird today. Asking a lot of questions.
So I didn't know what kind you wanted.
You dress weird.
I dress weird.
Yep.
What do you mean I dress weird?
You blind? You see her here?
What about my hair?
I don't like when you do that curly thing.
What you want me to do? Put in a ponytail?
What?
What you want me to do? Put in a ponytail?
No. Straighten your hair and look nice.
It's about to rain. Why would I straighten my hair? And it's quicker for me
When
to get out the
when
shower
your hair is
like
like that, it looked like a rat that got wet.
Did you just call me a rat?
Nope. I said you look like a rat that got wet.
Are you fucking serious right now?
Listen, it's summertime, it's hot.
You said you wanted to go somewhere, so I said I need a shower.
Okay,
so I could hurry up
and you
before they close.
You waste your time, you showered, and then just like that, you have a sweater on. You have a whole jacket on like it's winter. And you have shorts on. How does that make sense?
Because it's warm out, and like I said, it's about to rain.
That doesn't make sense.
Do you want me to look like a wet dog walking into the mall?
Alright, whatever.
At least I can cover myself and make myself look like I'm driving.
It's not raining, and I'm driving.
Not yet.
You know how I treat you like a queen? I'll just pull up to the door and you get inside.
Can you roll the back windows up? It's hurting my ears.
You are not getting wet at all. You won't get wet. So, jacket is no excuse right now. I don't like that. You always.
I have a shirt on under it.
You always do the most. I don't know why, but you always be doing the most.
What do you want me to wear?
What? First thing, look how short that shorts is. It look like you have panties on.
Okay, well I'm short.
Okay,
so
that's
either
why
I'm gonna have shorts that look like basketball shorts, like NBA players. They're down to yes.
No.
Yes.
You're gonna have shorts that look nice and appropriate, not shorts that look like you have panties on.
If I got guy shorts that would look like I'm sitting down, which is why they look higher.
You love wearing my shorts anyways.
Okay, well if I wore that to the mall, you would say, why do you look like that? You look like you're
No, I won't, because then nobody will look at you.
No one's gonna look at me now, because I look like a rat.
Well, you think you look good. They might think so too.
I know I look good.
Because they don't got taste. I'm sorry. They don't got
What would
taste.
you want me to wear?
You always dress nice, and today you just oh my god, just
because you told me to hurry up.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You said let's go to the mall, but you have to hurry because they're gonna be closing. And so I said okay, let me shower though.
You got ready before me. Start dress appropriate. You respect me?
I am dressed appropriately.
Dress appropriate if you respect me now. Then dress appropriate. I don't like when you wear those shorts. Can you stop wearing them?
I just got these shorts. How don't you like when I wear them? I just bought them.
I meant shorts like that.
Well, it's hot out.
You might as well walk naked because that shorts, ain't it?
I could walk naked if I wouldn't get arrested at the mall.
No, you ain't gonna do that. ponies, you might as well, because it's almost like you're naked, just covering up your top.
Well, how about I take off my jacket and tie it around my ass?
Do that. I'd like that.
No, I wouldn't even give you the fucking satisfaction.
Why are you cussing so much?
Because you're pissing me off. You make me not even want to go.
Then no, you want me to turn back?
No, because I just got ready.
Okay, I'm gonna turn back. I don't care.
No, the only reason you're complaining is because you know I look cute. I hope
Okay.
everybody look at me when I'm walking down in the mall.
Whatever.
Oh, so you mad now, huh?
Yes.
How about we switch shorts?
Oh,
I mean, wear big old shorts like yours.
switch what? I have pants on. What are you talking about?
Those are shorts. Nice. And you just got stuck in traffic.
Yeah, all your fault.
I was on time.
That just shows that you just.
See, if I took longer, we definitely would not be making
that
it.
shows that you didn't dress appropriately, and we should just turn back. Right now, I want to exit the highway. That's a fact. I don't even want to go anywhere.
You making me not want to go nowhere.
Sometimes I was
thinking,
like, okay, man,
no.
this woman.
No.
You never showed me.
You make me not want to go nowhere. I said, okay, I want to go to the mall. There's some stuff I might want to try to get, like some different shoes or something. And then I'm like, all right, so let me hurry up and shower because I'm not going to go anywhere without showering. Now I didn't want to fucking go.
You showered twice today. You showered this morning.
It's hot.
You woke up, and you just showered.
It's humid.
And you didn't even wake up a long time ago. That's a funny thing.
It's humid.
What's the time?
Okay, so what? And I wanted to wash my hair. When I showered this morning, I didn't wash my hair.
You wearing your hair like that. I like when you straighten your hair.
Do you know how long it would take me to straighten my hair? We definitely would have made it to the mall.
You see, that's
if
why
I didn't wash my hair, then I look like a fucking chia pet.
That's why people not for try talk to people in between. They either talk to people with them head look like mine.
Okay,
roll up, like a roly-poly, or straight.
Roly-poly?
Yeah.
I don't have hair like yours.
That's
Sorry.
what I said. That's why people should talk to people like
maybe you should date an all black
people
person that has hair like that.
Straight, yeah.
The fuck?
Or all
I'm
Hispanic.
What?
What?
Yeah, right.
I never said nothing. I don't know why you mad though.
Cause you said I look like a rat, and then my hair should be roly-poly or straight. I'm Hispanic, so my hair is gonna be curly. I don't have coils.
That means you know much Hispanic people here straight. Roly-poly
okay,
like
well,
mine.
I'm mixed. I'm biracial.
The people probably had a look on your look how your face look. Fix your face, cause that not look good.
Fuck, I should have bitched
Smile, fix your face.
Asshole.
I saw it go.
No.
Somebody has to be the asshole, right? Right?
No. This make it even fucking worse because we're stuck in fucking traffic.
Good.
I don't want to be in this goddamn car with you. God damn it.
You gotta hear it today. Bet you stop after today.
Stop shit.
Stop.
Get what
Stop.
you get.
Look at you. Look at you. Gosh. Look at your face. Take that nose ring out. Like, look at you.
I should get my fucking lip pierced and my eyebrow pierced to keep fucking looking.
Okay. And how's that gonna look on you and our kids?
So, as long as I'm a good mom.
No, people don't know that.
So what?
People
they can judge me all I
just
want.
gonna see an image.
So, people are tattooed from head to toe.
And
with piercings from head to toe, and they're the best fucking parents.
Then our
Who
kids
cares
are
what they look like?
kids are just gonna look.
As long as they get love,
our kids
who
are
cares?
gonna get teased too. Not only
I don't
love.
care, but as long as my kids know that I love them, it doesn't matter what I look like. I know their kids know that they fucking love them just because they're tatted. So what?
Our kids might know, but people at school gonna tease them.
Well, that's their problem.
Whose problem? Our kids' problem? And then they might get in a fight and all of that, and then the people in them life divert just because you want to look a piercing.
Piercings can go in and out.
Then why pierce up yourself in the first place?
Because I like my piercings. You knew I had piercings when you got with me.
Yeah, not no lip and no tongue and
I don't have my
stuff.
lip or tongue pierced.
You just told me you should.
I wouldn't do that because I cry when I bite my tongue.
Good. And who make you feel better?
Not you.
Then who make you feel better?
Not you.
Wow.
You just piss people off.
Me?
Yes.
I don't piss people off. You know that.
You pissing me off.
Everything piss you off. If I smile too hard with it, piss you off. And say you're mad, you're crazy, man.
You make me crazy.
Not me make you crazy?
Yes.
You're mad, man. You're mad like shot.
No, you're not. You're making me crazy.
Hey, Hispanic people are the people them with are the craziest still, you know. No joke, you know. But we know say you're crazy.
Okay, and?
You know. Look through the sun and look for me again. Cover your face. Looking at that. You saw that look nasty, look over there.
Yeah.
Don't look for
I'm
me
looking at
again.
you, that's what I'm gonna bury your goddamn body.
What you gotta do?
Bury your goddamn body. And I know you not talking.
You couldn't live with that.
People are crazy. Every day you tell me some scary ass shit on the news.
Oh, Jamaican people?
Mm.
Best people in the world, man. Best people in the world, you know that.
I wouldn't know because I don't know my daddy.
Ah! Best people in the world. Listen, my man. I know, your father. I'm going to tell you, say I know him. That I'm going to do. I see. Burn a little bridge. I tell you, y'all burn a bridge with him? Y'all burn a bridge with me? Don't for burn a bridge. Learn that in a life. Never
he knew
you
what
burn
he was
your
getting
bridge.
into when he was dating a Hispanic person, and then she knew what she was getting into when she was dating the Jamaican. So that just make a whole bunch of 100% crazy, and that equals me.
Good. At least you know. But all you did say you're not crazy. At least
Well, I
you
can
know
handle
say
my own crazy. At least I can acknowledge that I'm crazy.
Me not crazy, you know. May I acknowledge that?
You're making me crazy.
Yeah. Jamaican,
We're never gonna get there.
Jamaican me crazy. You never know that?
No, you're annoying.
Me and Ian?
Yes.
You're madly in love with my boy Nine.
So what? You're so fucking annoying.
That's the best thing, you know, when you love somebody, but you think them are Nine, but you can't stop love them. Best thing ever, right?
No.
Give me a kiss.
No.
Give me a kiss, huh?
No.
Please.
No.
You tear off this off for you, you know.
You would like that? I'll
Take-
take it off myself.
I like that.
All right, we stuck in traffic.
We stuck
All
in
these
traffic.
motherfucking trucks
I'll
don't see
park.
me.
I don't care. I'll put up the
Alright.
clothes and I'm gonna tear off. Hey, relax.
Yeah, okay. Stupid ass.
I'll put up all of the
No, I'll
clothes
do it.
and then we gonna do it. How about that?
I'll
Hey?
have all these truckers look at me. Talk about you don't care.
Them truckers there? You know what's the truckers
And
there?
they can see right down
You
into
know
my
what the
car.
funny thing?
These little cars can't
Truckers
see
have
it, but
whole
these
heap of pitney, you know.
trucks can see into my car.
Everywhere the man them drive, the man them get pitney. They just get people pregnant all the time. You can't do that. What's wrong with you?
That's not true because my coworker, her husband's a trucker.
Yeah, right. She probably have some stepkids out there.
I wouldn't know.
I would not be a trucker. Actually, I'll be a trucker.
After you said that, she think you'll be
Then
a
I don't
trucker.
have to be home with your craziness.
You working to get fucking knocked the fuck out.
I mean, you see, you making an argument because I told
No,
you what
I'm
I
not.
don't. I told you what I don't like, and you making an argument. out
You
of
tell
it.
me after I'm in the fucking car.
No, because if
I'm
I
not gonna. No.
if
One,
I had
look
said
at the
something
clouds.
to you in the
No,
house,
shut up.
you would have told me.
Shut up. Cause look, it looks like no. Shut the fuck.
You'd have told me that you're not going and leave you
Well,
alone.
I don't want to fucking go now.
Well, we're already on the road. We in traffic. If I
Take me
exit,
like 2 fucking hours to straighten my
if I
hair.
exit, you know it's gonna take.
Look, it's about to rain. You see those fucking
I
rain
coulda-
clouds?
I
It's been
coulda-
raining all week.
I could have straightened your hair.
So I'll be fucking bald like you. Not about to burn my hair.
Yo, I'ma straighten your hair. All right, baby.
No.
What's wrong with this truck? Relax yourself, truck.
Both of their blinkers are on. Are you gonna slow down so you don't kill us?
Boy, the way
Everybody's
you look,
tail brakes
might
are
as well.
on.
I'ma leave you alone. Don't come try hug me up later.
I won't.
Don't tell me say you're hungry. I'm not cook.
I'll tell you what.
I can't deal with it now. Cause you wear them things and I can't tell you say don't wear it. You can't please me. I can't deal with this no more, honestly. Better you just go on your ways and I'm go on my ways. Go on
Piss
your
me the
ways.
fuck off. I'm
Go
gonna
on
throw
your
all
ways.
this
Yo, you know what? Hold this. I don't even want it.
Go ahead. I'll throw all this shit on you, you fucking dick.
I don't even want it. Take this ring off. Swear.
You gonna piss me the fuck off and throw all this shit on you.
Look. Free like a bird in a tree. There you go.
Fuck you.
So now you can read
Leave me
it
the fuck alone.
Now you can read
Leave
it
me
out
the fuck
here-
alone.
here at the mall.
Leave me the fuck alone. Fucking
Okay,
asshole.
okay.
I take my shit off. Yeah, motherfucker.
It's a prank.
Not fucking funny.
It's a
Fucking
prank.
bitch
Stop prank
ass.
people.
Not a prank. Alright.
Guys,
yeah.
she's my ride or die. You know that. I love her. Put my ring back on.
That's the first time you ever took that shit off. I was about to fucking kill you.
Yeah. So you know, say it's serious.
No.
Alright, guys. That's it. Pranked her. Pranked her.
Asshole.
Where's the camera? Pranked her.
Alright, guys. I admit it.
See you in the
Yeah.
next one, guys. See you in the
Make
next
sure
one.
you like, share, and subscribe.